Hello, word. Welcome, everyone. I'm Alex, your friendly host, and today's word is drug. So, what is a drug? Well, at its simplest, a drug is a substance, other than food, used to treat, cure, prevent, or diagnose a disease, or to otherwise enhance physical or mental well-being. It can also refer to an illegal or harmful substance that people take for pleasure. In everyday language, we use the word drug to talk about medicines that doctors prescribe, like the doctor prescribed a drug for my headache, or about substances that can be harmful, like he got into trouble with illegal drugs. Let's explore some synonyms for drug. One synonym is medicine. For example, this medicine will help you feel better. Another synonym could be medication, as in, she is taking medication for her anxiety. We can also use the word remedy, though it often implies a less formal or perhaps a natural cure. For instance, my grandmother has a herbal remedy for a cold. Another possibility is cure. Think of it this way: scientists are working hard to find a cure for this disease, or pharmaceutical. For example, the pharmaceutical company developed a new drug. Now, let's look at antonyms, words with opposite meanings. While it's tricky to find a perfect antonym for drug because of its dual meaning, here are some words that represent the absence of needing a drug or a state of natural health. We can use the word health. For example, good nutrition is essential for maintaining good health. Another antonym could be wellness, representing a state of being healthy in body and mind. Think of it in the sentence, she focuses on wellness through exercise and healthy eating. We might also consider exercise, especially if the context involves avoiding harmful drugs. For example, regular exercise is a great way to reduce stress and improve your mood. Or even nutrition, which contrasts with using drugs for health, such as in proper nutrition is key to a healthy immune system. One other option is abstinence, particularly relevant when discussing addictive drugs. His commitment to abstinence is admirable. Now, let's talk about how the word drug is used in everyday life. You might hear someone say, I need to go to the pharmacy to pick up my drugs, meaning their prescription medicines. Or, in a more concerning context, he's struggling with drug addiction. You might also encounter the phrase, this drug has some side effects, indicating potential unwanted reactions to a medicine. Here are some more examples of drug in sentences and phrases. The new drug promises to alleviate symptoms quickly. The police are cracking down on drug trafficking. She's researching the effects of this drug on the brain. This drug is only available with a doctor's prescription. The side effects of the drug were minimal. He was arrested for drug possession. The drug helped him to manage his pain. The company is developing a new drug to treat cancer. She's allergic to that drug. The drug test came back negative. This drug can have serious side effects if not taken correctly. Many people abuse drugs because they feel overwhelmed. Taking that drug without a prescription is very dangerous. The pharmaceutical company is developing a new drug to combat the virus. The effects of the drug wore off quickly. He became addicted to drugs after a serious injury. It's important to talk to your doctor before taking any new drugs. The doctor prescribed a drug to lower my blood pressure. The government is working to prevent drug abuse. The side effects of the drug included nausea and dizziness. They discovered a new drug that can help treat the disease effectively. The patient responded well to the drug. The drug is administered intravenously. The FDA approved the new drug for public use. The drug interacts negatively with alcohol. The pharmacist explained the dosage of the drug. Long-term use of this drug may have adverse effects. The research focused on the efficacy of the drug. The drug is available in tablet and liquid form. We covered a lot today. We defined the word drug, explored its synonyms like medicine, medication, remedy, cure, and pharmaceutical, and contrasted it with antonyms like health, wellness, exercise, nutrition, and abstinence. We also looked at various ways the word is used in everyday conversation. Thanks for joining me on Hello Word. Now, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show, and that means more people learning English. For your homework, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using the word drug and share it in the comments below this video. I'm really looking forward to reading all of them.